Xin chào các bạn. So there are some questions regarding navigation through the class in Canvas. So I just create this video so that give you some tips in order to be successful in this class and how to go through a module effectively. So first of all, when you look at here, you can see that links under links and tool, I put the meeting schedule right here. So that's it. So whenever you join a meeting, you can just go here and get the Zoom link and click on it. Yeah. I also put conversation hour here. I will update virtual language table schedule as well. So always go to modules. I know that sometimes, okay, for example, if you go to home, you can see all the to-do list. So in some of the to-do lists, there are some pages, there are some notes, and also there are some assignments. So how to know which one is the notes and which one is the assignment? So if you look at modules, for example, so now I can just minimize this one. Okay, so you can see the grades here, right? The points. So when you see something on your to-do list and it has a points, you know that, okay, this is an assignment and I have to do it. I have to fill it out. So let's look at module 1, for example. Here you have all these, they are the notes. So this is the symbol of a page. So they are not assignments. Sometimes I add them to your to-do list so that you know that, okay, please look at this. And I usually put the to-do list for the notes on Wednesday. The deadline is on Wednesday because I want you to look at the notes before the deadline, the real deadline for assignments. But all assignments will do Sunday. So when you look at here, you know, okay, this assignment 30 points, this one 18 points. So and this one extra credit, that is why I put 0 points, because extra credits, right? Then you do it, then I give you 5 points. So one of the tricks is that you work on the assignments with most points, with the highest weight. That is one way. Another way for you to work, another way to look at it is to look at the easiest one. For example, okay, this one I can record, I want to do this. Or to work at the one that is most interesting to you. It's okay, it's up to you. But so when you look at this, you know, okay, no points here, so I know these are notes. But in order to do this, maybe I should look at, maybe in order to do these assignments, maybe I should look at the notes first. Something like that. But in this case, I have the notes right in here. Okay. So you know how to do this already, right? Start assignment. And then you can upload file or text entry, media, Google Drive. You can choose how you want to submit the assignment. Leave. Okay, so now let's move on to Quizlet. So if you look at Quizlet, maybe I can have a separate tutorial for Quizlet, but the same thing. I put the instruction here. Just follow this instruction. You go to Quizlet to work on the set, and then you go here, do the same thing, start assignment, and then you can just put here đã hoàn thành, or if you want, you can upload the screenshot of the finished assignment. So that is for module 1. So if you look at module 2, it is the same. I will post more in module 2. I don't want to make you too overwhelmed, but yes, you also I recommend that you go from the introduction and then you can just next. Okay, look at this. And follow the instruction here. Yeah. Okay, so read through this. And yes, you can always play the audio here. Okay, I hope that helps. Thank you. And okay, one more thing. Maybe it's good if you start with assignments. So I recommend that you always start with Quizlet. You always start with the vocabulary and the dialogues. Hội thoại is dialogue. Start with the dialogue, start with the vocabulary, and then work on other assignments. That is a good flow. Okay. Good luck, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and send me an email. Thank you.